Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking metals. Let's talk gold. I don't talk gold all that often. Gold down over 1% today. We've now had 3 days of down 1% or greater since about the middle of June. Gold is very unloved right now. It's getting sold off at every turn, and it's a very unpopular metal. Now, why is it so unpopular? Well, it generally turns into this type of a trade when there's really no fundamental reason to buy it. And by that, there means there's no reason to rush in and buy because there's no economic reason to buy gold. Inflation is not running away, and gold has proven to be a pretty poor long-term inflation hedge anyway. There's no geopolitical reason to buy gold. There's no impending military crisis. There certainly is no impending currency crisis, save for maybe some emerging markets like Brazil, which isn't really at crisis mode yet. And if that becomes a crisis, you really want to, from a trading perspective, buy dollars, which is going to be heavy on gold anyway. So there's not a whole lot of reason. There's no market-based crisis where you think assets are going to completely fall off a cliff, in which case gold would appreciate. There's no volatility crisis. So gold is just unpopular. There's still people who have this buy and hold mentality in gold, and that's fine. But these price falls for them are good because they're buy and hold and they're buying gold cheaper. So gold's very unpopular, unloved. There's no real fundamental reason behind purchasing gold right now. The only one you could find is technical, and that it's oversold, and that can last for quite a long time. Speaking of the dollar, Jerome Powell spoke to the Senate Banking Committee today, and Powell was viewed as dovish, even though he said the path of rate hikes is still appropriate. It's a gradual path of rate hikes. That made the dollar stronger, hurting gold as well. So again, gold getting hit by pretty much every factor. Personally, I'd rather sell a rally in gold, but I'm not sure that rally is going to happen. This is Bob Iaccino talking about a very weak gold outlook from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.